The onion, one of the best things nature brings to your kitchens. Did you realize how many recipes of the world start with finely chop or slice an onion? We create little cubes that release their flavors into the pan, creating the basis of our future dishes. When we dice an onion, we usually keep the top end on, so that it will act like a guide for our future cuts. First off, cut in 2 halves lengthwise. Cut side down on the board. Start with a few scores parallel to the board, bottom to top. The finer you want the final dices, the more the cuts. Then a few vertical scores, top to bottom. Cutting even pieces means they cook in the same time. Now you can easily cut your dices. Thumb and pinky tucked in, away from the path of the knife. Ring finger and index keeping the onion on the board. Then there you go. Up to the top, this is all that remains out of your onion. If you need really fine dices and you're not very happy with the size of whatever you cut, you can always crisscross it again. Just bring all of them together and give them a bash. Make fast cuts so that you don't squeeze all the juices out of your onion. Mind your left hand that presses the upper part of the knife, because you definitely don't want the tip of the knife to prick your hand. Slicing an onion is by far easier than dicing it. Top and tail off. There you go. Again, your middle finger sets the thickness of the slices as it slides away from the knife, and the knife actually slides on its knuckle. The fragments will easily fall apart when you raise them off the board. Slicing an onion is more about how it looks and a bit less about flavor. If dices usually melt away or they are just discarded off a sauce you're making with them, usually slices will stay on the plate, and you definitely want them even and good looking. Probably one of the biggest mistakes unexperienced chefs make when they try to learn from TV shows or internet videos is to imitate the speed of famous chefs. Do it at your own speed. Do it slowly in the beginning so that you get it the right way. Keep practicing, and speed will come eventually.